Due to the disorderly market supply, inconsistent quality becomes a common issue for MacBook aftermarket screen assembly. Substandard products would cause issues such as blurry screens, no displayed problems and uneven backlight. REWA Lab will test and compare different types of MacBook assemblies on the market in terms of cable, display, and function, to help you choose the most cost-effective aftermarket MacBook assembly. We use LCD cases without scratches and dust spots for testing. First, check the LCD and bezel fitment. We found that the REWA selected screen was better sealed, and the sealing process of the adhesive strips is better, while the other in the market have a relatively poor sealing process, which can easily cause light leakage, dust, and other problems, affecting the screen viewing experience. Next, we check IC cables. We found that REWA selected assemblies are protected by metal strips and sealing strips on the IC cables. This provides a better anti-interference effect and higher stability of screen function. The other one does not have enough protection, which can easily cause instability of the screen function. Next, we test the screen assembly for display features. Here we need to disassemble the MacBook for processing. Remove the MacBook back cover. Disconnect the protective board cable to ensure the power is disconnected. Use ceramic tweezers to disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna. Use a D5 screwdriver to unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi antenna. When removing the spindle screws, you can remove the screws on both sides first and hold the screen upside down on the edge of the console to handle it easily. To facilitate screen replacement, we used a test extension cable. First, we test the brightness of these screens. The brightness of the OEM screen was 427 nits. REWA selected screen has a brightness of 350 nits, and the other one's brightness was 147 nits. Then we check the color gamut and color temperature saturation. The color gamut of the REWA selected screen was wide. The color temperature saturation was closer to the OEM quality, while the other screen's color gamut and color temperature was below average. Finally, we reinstalled the screen and test the function again. Be careful to clean the keyboard when assembling to prevent hard objects from crushing the screen. We tested the true tone function and light sensing function of the screens. Through the test, the true tone function and light sensing function of the REWA selected screen were normal. Now check the other screen. The other screen did not support the true tone function. Also, the light sensing function of the screen was abnormal. In summary, the quality of the REWA selected screen was higher than the average of other sources in the market in terms of all indicators. The REWA team has a strict selection process from raw material selection to product inspection. Besides MacBook screens, we also offer batteries and parts for sale. For quality third-party parts, REWA is the smart choice for you.